And okay, back to what I was doing after I was rudely interrupted by some diaphones. Okay. As you can tell in the background, I have Sydney. So in here should be a holy grail of mine. Not a top 10 holy grail, but pretty high on my list. Something I've actually been looking for quite some time. Hopefully, that's what's in here. Should be. Oh, it even came with the box. So this is a SmokeGard 907. Looks like this one's going to be the A2, so the non-interconnect version. I've been long overdue for this, but I have it now, so take this out. And dang, wow, it's actually kind of smaller than I expected it to be. So this one, yeah, this is the 907A2, and looks like he kind of like, or I don't even know if it definitely did not come like this. It was kind of like retrofitted in a way, but that's fine with me. Easier to test. So I guess he just like retro. I don't know if he did this or it was actually came like, it definitely did not come like that from the factory unless it was like a.
He did that.
Yeah, I definitely did that. But yeah, that's a little strange, but it works. It makes it easier to test. I don't mind it. I don't mind it as much. And if I ever wanted to like run this on without this plug, I could just like cut it off if I ever wanted to. It's not too bad. But yeah. Here's a little thing. Here's the manual. It's a little bit kind of like dirty a bit. Oh, it's like ripped. Oh, it's old paper, so it's like ripped a little bit. But yeah. That's the manual. Honestly, did not expect this to come with the box. Take the base off, which slides off like that. So this one, yeah, this is a 907A2, which is the like I said, non-interconnect. Serial number and everything, 120 volt AC. Radioactive material. So yeah, this is an ionization unit. Yeah, this thing is actually lighter than it's actually pretty light. I was not expecting it to be as light as it is. It's not as heavy as I anticipated it to be. Now, I will let this run for a little bit, but not for too long. Still kind of early for me, but you know, had some excitement to the video. So now all we came for was the test. If I could get this plug on right. My God, this plug is kind of. There we go. AC indicator, it's not that bright, but I mean, people find it less annoying. So this one looks like it's got a Kobayashi CLB26. I can't even tell. I'll have to hear it. Yeah, this one is really interesting sounding. It's a buzzer, but it actually has a coding, which is something you don't hear very often. So, get to hear it. There you go. Wow.
4-6 buzzer.
4-6 buzzer. I find that really cool. And yeah, it did sound the way I expected it to. It's it sounds just like some of the other Kobayashi CLB26 alarms that I have. At least I think that's what it is, because mine my M Heart sounds like this, but it doesn't have the 4-6 buzzer on it. Yeah, the base itself is relatively solid. It's a slide-on base, not a twist-on base or anything, since this is like a square unit. So yeah, I shouldn't have trouble storing this, because this thing is relatively it's not that big. It's decent size, but yeah, no dying sound, of course. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this plug on it for a while. I probably will, because this was just retrofitted on there for probably more convenience when the previous owner had it. So yeah, I'll probably make a video review on this once I get the chance. As you can tell, I'm doing pretty good this year. Like, I'm getting a bunch of grails crossed off my list. So, yeah, that's going to do it for this quick video. I mean, it was like 6 minutes-ish, but yeah. That was just my unboxing and first impressions. Oh, this actually, wait. Oh, this would... Oh, you know what? Actually, no, hold on. Before I end this video, I can actually get this cover open. Hold on. Let me see if I can show you guys the inside.
You can actually retrofit that to where it is always hingeable by just taking a screw out.
Yeah.
It's because of the battery powered version would just use the same cover.
So I believe, I don't think it really matters which one. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. So I got the screw on this side off, so you should be able to just hinge this open. Oh wait, I gotta get the other one. Wait, I might have to get the other one. Hold on.
Yeah, that's really weird though, because they technically didn't even have to make it to. They could technically have just made it to where it could hinge open, but probably for safety concerns.
Probably. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we got it. Oh, whoa, that's metal, like a little metal sheet in there. That's weird. Okay, so yeah, this definitely is this is a very relatively simple design itself. Here's the test button, and I assume this is where, yeah, this is where you push it in. There's the sensor. I don't know what that's for. Oh, is that for the test button? No, that's definitely not for the test button. I don't know what this is for. It's like a little random tab sticking up. And then there's the horn. Like I said, I believe this is a Kobayashi CLB26. And then there's a rather simple circuit board. I hear a lot of sirens and fire trucks outside my house. Okay. Yeah. It's a relatively simple design. Yeah, I probably don't need the screws at all. I'll probably keep them anyway. Although I don't really need them. Okay, but as for the unit, that was pretty much everything I could say about it, at least for now. I'll probably make a video review on this when I get the chance. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and you want to say bye? You beat me to it. Alright, bye.